check this out. Are you shooting video, a lot like this, on your feet, on the go, on your phone, trying to look back into the screen so you can see everything that's happening? You can, see to make sure that you're staying in the shot, and actually even double check that you remembered to hit record. Well, we've all been there. It's not fun. Now, maybe you've heard or maybe even noticed that this front-facing camera just is not as good as the rear-facing camera, and there are a lot of technical reasons why, but it is actually 100% true. Now, listen, if you're just getting started creating videos, I get it. It's super convenient. You just grab your phone, start shooting. And the important thing is that you're actually creating videos. But for those of you who want the best video quality possible, you want to be using that rear-facing camera. So that's why I'm going to share 2 tips today that are going to give you simple, easy ways to be able to see everything that's going on. You're going to be able to see yourself in the shot, but you're still going to be able to get the best quality video from your phone, give you that sharp, crisp looking video. And actually, I'll throw in a third option at the end that's pretty cool and I think worth mentioning, so I'll include it in the video as well. Okay, so for tip number 1, it's AirPlay screen mirroring. All you have to do is open up your phone, go to the control panel, and look for screen mirroring. Once you tap that, it'll automatically connect to your Mac, your MacBook Pro. Even if you have a mini, it will work. It's completely wireless. It's really convenient. You just need to be sure all the software is up to date and you'll be good to go. Okay, that brings us to number 2, and definitely my favorite. A lot of people don't realize this, but if you go to the app section of your watch, you can see the camera from your phone. So all you want to do is scroll to the apps and then tap that camera app, and it automatically connects to the video of your phone. Then you could take off your watch, strap it around your phone, and there you go. You got a little video monitor right there on your phone. It's portable, it's light, it's great for handheld. It allows you to, grab your phone quickly, shoot video quickly. So now you can see everything that's going on. Make sure you're staying in the shot, make sure everything looks good, but you're also grabbing video footage from that rear camera. So you're getting the best video quality possible out of a really sophisticated, video camera built in right to your phone. Okay, so now the third option, which is pretty cool, it's an app. You're gonna wanna go to filmicpro.com. Now, once you land on the site, you wanna go to the Filmic remote page. First, you have control, which is all about focus and exposure settings, white balance. Next, you have monitor, which gives you access to some pro color grading tools. Then lastly, director, which is all about giving you that premium clean video out display. Or if you wanted to go directly to the App Store, you could go there and search for Filmic Pro Remote. You'll want to scroll down, click on the Filmic Pro Control Camera Kit. There'll be 2 apps in this bundle. It'll cost $19.99, but in this bundled app is going to have all the things included that I showed you on the website. Now, if you're somebody who's interested in shooting more videos, getting more videos, into your business, putting more videos up on your YouTube channel, if you really want to be utilizing YouTube and creating videos that are going to get views, then I definitely recommend checking this video up here. I cover 3 important and necessary tips to creating videos for YouTube. Thanks for checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.